Good morning, students. We will discuss about vitamins today. Vitamins belongs to micronutrients because our body requires minute quantity of vitamins. Coming to the definition, vitamins are the organic compounds present in food and they are required in minute quantities for the growth, maintenance and reproduction. The absence of vitamins in food leads to the deficiency disorders. Most of the vitamins and the derivatives act as coenzymes. The coenzymes are essential for many enzymatic reactions in the cell. Next is classification of vitamins. Based on their solubility, the vitamins are classified into two types. Number one is water-soluble vitamins and number two is fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins include the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. There are 8 B complex vitamins including vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B4 is not there, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. So coming to the water soluble vitamins, the chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine, B2 is riboflavin, B3 is niacin, B5 is pantothenic acid, B6 is known as pyridoxine, B7 is known as biotin, B9 is known as folic acid, and B12 is known as cyanocobalamin. The next water soluble vitamin is ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C. Next, fat-soluble vitamins. There are 4 fat-soluble vitamins. Number 1 is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol. Vitamin E is known as tocopherol. Vitamin K exists in two forms. K1 is known as phylloquinone and K2 is known as menaquinone. So coming to the sources of vitamins, all the vitamins are present in vegetables, fruits, nuts, egg, milk, meat, fish, etc. So these are the common sources of all the vitamins except vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin B12. So vitamin C is present in citrus fruits, vitamin E is present in vegetable oils, vitamin B12 is present in animal sources like egg, milk, meat, fish, etc. And the vitamin B12 is absent in plant sources. Next slide is vitamin B1. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is known as thiamine. The thiamine which is present in the form of thiamine pyrophosphate. So thiamine pyrophosphate is the coenzyme which is present in vitamin B1. Next, the coenzyme functions. Vitamin B1 acts as a coenzyme in the decarboxylation of alpha-ketoglutarate and pyruvic acid in citric acid cycle. It also acts as a coenzyme in trans-ketolase reaction in carbohydrate metabolism, and this reaction comes under the pentose phosphate pathway. Next slide is deficiency disorders. The deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi, the disease of the nervous system. The symptoms include loss of appetite, loss of neuromuscular coordination, numbness, paralysis, mental depression, nausea, and vomiting. So these are the deficiency disorders associated with vitamin B1. Next one is vitamin B2. The chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. It has two coenzymes. One is flavin mononucleotide and the second one is flavin adenine dinucleotide. Next, coenzyme functions. Both FMN and FAD act as coenzymes in oxidation reduction reactions. Next, the deficiency disorders. The deficiency of vitamin B2 leads to glossotis, that is inflammation of the tongue, dermatitis, that is skin disorders, chillosis, the development of cracks at the corners of the mouth, and the last one is magenta red colored tongue. Next one is vitamin B3. It is also known as niacin or nicotinic acid. It has two coenzymes. One is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Both NAD and NADP act as coenzymes in oxidation reduction reactions. Next, the deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin B3 leads to pellagra. Pellagra means rough skin. It is characterized by 3Ds. 3Ds means there are three disorders associated with pellagra. Number one is diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia. Diarrhea is characterized by vomiting, loss of appetite, soreness of tongue, gastrointestinal problems. Dermatitis, that is skin disorder. Dementia, it involves mental depression and anxiety. Next one is vitamin B5. The chemical name of vitamin B5 is pantothenic acid. It has two coenzymes. Number one is coenzyme A or CoA, and the second one is acetyl-CoA. So coming to the coenzyme functions of CoA, it acts as a coenzyme in the conversion of alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA in citric acid cycle. It also acts as a coenzyme in the oxidation of fatty acids. So coming to the coenzyme functions of acetyl-CoA, acetyl-CoA acts as a coenzyme for citric acid cycle, and it also acts as a coenzyme for the formation of acetylcholine. It also acts as a coenzyme in the synthesis of cholesterol and steroid hormones. Deficiency disorders. The deficiency of pantothenic acid is very rare, but sometimes it causes disturbance in the digestive system. Next one is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine. It has only one coenzyme, that is pyridoxal phosphate. Next coenzyme functions. PLP acts as a coenzyme in transamination of amino acid, decarboxylation of amino acids, interconversion of glycine and serine. It also acts as a coenzyme in transsulfuration in methionine metabolism. So all these reactions requires the coenzyme PLP. Next, deficiency disorders. The deficiency of vitamin B6 leads to retarded growth, loss of weight, anemia, skin lesions, convulsions in infants. Next one is vitamin B7. The chemical name of vitamin B7 is biotin. The biotin itself acts as a coenzyme. Next, the coenzyme functions. Biotin acts as a coenzyme for carboxylases, which catalyzes the carboxylation reactions. It also acts as a coenzyme in fatty acid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, purine biosynthesis, and amino acid metabolism. These are the coenzyme functions of vitamin B7. Next, deficiency disorders associated with vitamin B7. The deficiency of vitamin B7 leads to nausea, anorexia, which means loss of appetite, anemia, muscular pain, dermatitis. Next one is vitamin B9. The chemical name of vitamin B9 is folic acid. It has only one coenzyme, that is tetrahydrofolic acid or tetrahydrofolate or THF. Coenzyme functions. Folic acid acts as a coenzyme in single carbon transfer reactions, which means folic acid transfers the single carbon compounds like methyl group, methylene, formyl group, formaldehyde, etc. It also acts as a coenzyme in transmethylation reactions. For example, conversion of homocysteine to methionine requires the coenzyme THF. It also acts as a coenzyme in the synthesis of purine and pyrimidines. Vitamin B9 also required for the growth and maturation of RBC cells. Deficiency disorders. The deficiency of vitamin B9 leads to megaloblastic anemia. It is a blood disorder. In this condition, the body does not contain enough RBC cells. Next one is vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. It contains the metal atom cobalt. It is also known as anti-pernicious anemia factor. And you should remember that vitamin B12, which is present in animal sources like liver, egg, milk, meat, fish, cheese, and it is absent in plant sources. Vitamin B12 itself acts as a coenzyme. So coming to the coenzyme functions, vitamin B12 acts as a coenzyme in the conversion of methyl malonyl CoA to succinyl CoA. Vitamin B12 also acts as a coenzyme in methyl group transfer reactions. It also required for the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotide. Deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin B12 leads to pernicious anemia. It is characterized by low hemoglobin level and decreased number of erythrocytes. Next water-soluble vitamin is vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Coming to the functions of vitamin C, it is very much essential for the formation of fibroblasts and osteoblasts. It is required for the collagen biosynthesis. It is also involved in oxidation reduction reactions. It is a hydrogen carrier. Vitamin C is also involved in the conversion of folic acid to tetrahydrofolic acid. Vitamin C is required for the absorption of iron by converting ferric iron to ferrous iron. It is also required for the biosynthesis of the hormone epinephrine from tyrosine and dopamine, and the enzyme involved is beta hydroxylase. Coming to the deficiency diseases, Vitamin C leads to scurvy. The symptoms include hemorrhage, delayed wound healing, painful swellings of bones and joints, defective teeth, and bone formation. These are the deficiency disorders associated with vitamin C. Coming to the fat soluble vitamin. Number one is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. And next, functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for the growth and reproduction, which is also required for the formation of bones and teeth. Vitamin A is important in the maintenance of the epithelial structures of the skin and mucous membrane. Vitamin A is also required for the biosynthesis of glycoproteins and mucopolysaccharides. Mucopolysaccharides are also known as heteropolysaccharides. The examples include heparin, hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate. These are known as mucopolysaccharides. Vitamin A is also required for the biosynthesis of cholesterol. And the most important function of vitamin A is required for the vision, and the vision process occurs in cyclic manner is known as rhodopsin cycle. Next, deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin A leads to xerophthalmia, that is cornea of the eye becomes opaque, night blindness, that is difficulty to see in dim light, keratomalacia, cornea becomes soft, disorganized and destroyed. This defect is called keratomalacia. Perinoderma, that is dryness of the skin. Next, hypervitaminosis. The excessive intake of vitamin A leads to toxicity, and the symptoms of hypervitaminosis include joint pain, thickening of bones, dermatitis, loss of weight, enlargement of liver, skeletal decalcification, irritability, etc. Next one is vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. It is also known as sunshine vitamin because its provitamin 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is present in our skin, gets converted into vitamin D on exposure to sunlight. That is why which is also known as sunshine vitamin. Coming to the functions of vitamin D is required for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. It is also required for the formation of bones and teeth. Vitamin D is essential for calcium metabolism. Vitamin D is also required for the deposition of calcium and phosphates in the bones. It also increases citrate content of bone, blood tissues, and urine. So these are the functions of vitamin D. Deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin D leads to rickets, that is defective calcification of bones, and rickets occurs in children. Next one is osteomalacia, which means misshaping of bones like enlarged skulls, hunched back, protruded chest, etc. Osteomalacia occurs in adults. Hypervitaminosis. The excessive intake of vitamin D leads to toxicity. The symptoms of hypervitaminosis D includes weakness, vomiting, diarrhea, polyuria, loss of weight, nausea, loss of appetite, formation of stones in kidney, and the elevated levels of calcium in plasma. Next one is vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol, which is also known as anti-sterility vitamin because it prevents sterility. Coming to the functions, vitamin E acts as an antioxidant. It prevents oxidation of vitamin A, fatty acids, and sulfur-containing amino acids. It is essential for normal reproduction in animals. It prevents sterility, hence it is known as anti-sterility vitamin. It is also required for the synthesis of nucleic acids and coenzymes. It maintains the integrity of cell and cell membrane. So these are the functions of vitamin E. Deficiency diseases. The deficiency of vitamin E leads to hemolysis, that is breakdown of RBC cells, anemia, muscular dystrophy, sterility. Next one is hypervitaminosis. No toxic effects have been reported. So coming to the vitamin K, which is also known as coagulation vitamin. Next functions, vitamin K is required for the synthesis of prothrombin in the liver, which is essential for the coagulation of blood, and the vitamin K plays important role in electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation in mitochondria. Deficiency disorders. The deficiency of vitamin K leads to lowering of prothrombin level. This leads to bleeding and hemorrhage. Thank you.